Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
These headlights are pretty hazy from UV damage, so in this video I'm going to use 3M's Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit to try and get that UV glaze off of them. Alright, step one. I guess step one would be taping off the headlights, but step one according to the instructions is a 500 grit, so gold pad 500 grit. Right, that's step one with the 500 grit, just kind of getting a little glaze on it. Now I'm going to go back over it. Step two with the 800 grit. That's stage two with the 800 grit. Now we're going to move on. Final step, 3000 grit and a spray bottle of water. Here we go. Just wanted to show everybody real quick. All I have is an electric drill, and this is what I'm using. The sanding pads have a sticky back or like a Velcro back. It just sticks on the pad, and just sand it down with that lightly. Don't put too much pressure on it, but that's all I'm using. Okay, so that's after 3000 grit right there. The one last step is to apply clear coat to it. It says to remove all the tape and everything, but since I don't have to drive this for a while, I'm going to leave all the tape and stuff on there and just put the clear coat on it, leave it in the garage, and then once it dries I'll take all that tape and stuff off. I think they want you to take it off before, so that, you know, if you put the clear coat on there and then you start taking that off, you're going to get all the stuff that you sanded off going to be falling into the clear coat, and that's going to cause some, you know, you don't want it to look like that. So but since I don't have to move it until after the clear coat is dry, I can leave it on there, because I don't want that clear coat stuff to drip onto the paint. I heard it was some nasty stuff and it'll ruin your paint. So like I said, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So let me get that clear coat on. Okay, that's the first coat of clear coat. It says I'm supposed to wait 5 to 15 minutes and then apply the second coat, but I mean, it looks great already. We'll see what it looks like when the clear coat dries. All right, that's both sets of clear coat on there. I think it looks awesome, like brand new. That's gonna do it. Here's a quick side-by-side. You can clearly tell a difference. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.